What's up guys, Sazurd here, back with a new series, Road to Dream Setup. Today I have here a Ducky 1-2 Mini Cherry MX Brown. Today we're going to be unboxing it, then putting it with our setup and testing the sound. Let's get into it. We're unboxing it today. The dust protector. The actual keyboard itself. Sorry, I'm just adjusting. The actual keyboard itself. Look at it, guys. It's amazing. So guys, we just unboxed that and you should have heard it. Now under it, everything else, the Ducky manual, the space bar, the extra keys, the keycap remover, and some spare plastics as well, because I totally haven't unboxed this already. Another cool thing about this keyboard is it has got some feet. One folds out, two folds out, one folds in, another one comes out. One folds in, another one comes out. So you can adjust how you play, either in a really big standing position to break your wrist, or just nice and flat. Let's get into some more ASMR. Yeah, the Ducky 1-2 Mini Cherry MX Brown RGB ASMR. WASD. One, two, three. Backspace. Enter. Right shift. Spacebar. Slide through. I hope you guys did enjoy this video of the Ducky 1-2 Mini series Road to Dream Setup on my YouTube channel. If you do, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.